An Ethiopian Airline flight heading to Rome was forced to land at Geneva early Monday morning after being hijacked by its co-pilot. The Rome-bound flight took off from Addis Ababa at 12:30 a.m. The co-pilot, a 31-year-old Ethiopian, locked himself in the cockpit while the captain went to use the washroom. The plane circled in Swiss airspace while the hijacker negotiated for asylum with the air traffic control tower before landing at Geneva. 2 Eurofighter Typhoon fighter jets were dispatched to escort the hijacked aircraft to the airport. The co-pilot surrendered to Swiss authorities after exiting the aircraft through a cockpit window using a rope. None of the passengers were injured. The hijacker could face up to 20 years in jail.